Hi guys, first thing you need to do is go to Facebook, and if you want to post a GIF or an animated kind of video, it's got a normal post, and then you can see this option, add to your post, and you can click the GIF icon, and then you get loads of options. These are just popular ones, but if you want to search, maybe there's a popular thing happening at the moment or something that's on your mind. At the moment, it's Christmas. So you can put Merry Christmas, and you get a ton of different gifts, all these different things. So you can just click one you like, and there we go. And you can type above this to you can use something like that, and you can click post. Just because this is for demonstration purposes only, I'm just going to click only me, essentially. And then you can click post. There we go. And then you've got your animated GIF. How fun is that? I think that's a lot of fun, to be honest. There we go. And guys, I actually work for Meta, which is the company that owns Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp. If you want more videos on how to learn and use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to help you or your company, then make sure to click like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in these next upcoming videos. Take care. Cheers.